Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. If you're new to the channel, I'm Rebecca. Today we're going to be heading to the kitchen where we make some summer salads. And today we're going to make a nice sweet one that only takes 4 ingredients, and this salad works nicely either as a dessert or a sweet side salad. We'll be making my version of a grape salad. So we're using some nice plump and tart grapes with a few other ingredients to make a nice summer salad. So let's head to the kitchen and make some grape salad. So there are a lot of grape salad recipes out there, and mine's a little different, and I hope you enjoy it. So it only takes 4 ingredients. We mix them together and it ends up with a really sweet and delicious result. So first what we're going to do is add about 6 cups of grapes. I removed them off of their little bunch and gave them a good wash. About 6 cups of grapes ends up being about 4 pounds. To that we're going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is a 14-ounce can. And then we're going to add 1 8-ounce tub of a whipped topping. So this is like a Cool Whip type of a whipped topping. You could also buy whatever store brand or brand you prefer. We're just going to mix and fold those grapes into that sweetened condensed milk and that whipped topping. If you wanted an even bigger quantity for a larger group of people, you could certainly add probably about 8 cups of grapes for the same amount of sauce that I'm making today. Next I'm going to add about a half cup of English toffee candy pieces. You can buy this in the baking section, Heath Bar English toffee bits. I'll put about half in to mix through. I want it to kind of speckle all of your grape salad here. I'll save the last bit to sprinkle over the top as a garnish. Now what I'm going to do is pour this into a different bowl and add the topping, and we can have a closer look at some homemade grape salad. Alright, here you have it. Here is our homemade grape salad. This was really simple and fast to put together. You can whip this up in a matter of minutes, bring it to a potluck, maybe make it the night before and have it for a barbecue or get together. It's a really sweet and delicious salad to have, especially during the warm summer months. So usually when I make my grape salad, I'm making a really big batch, and I'll just get 2 real big bags of grapes from the grocery store, add the can of sweet condensed milk and the tub of whipped topping, and drizzle some of the Heath Bar bits throughout and on top as a garnish. And that will make a bowl like this full to overflowing. This made a nice 6-cup batch today, which would be great to share just at a dinner with your family or a smaller gathering. But you also have some leftover sauce. If you wanted to make a bigger quantity with the amounts that I gave today, you certainly could. Just simply add some more grapes. I just wanted to show you that you can make a much larger quantity for the salad with the amounts that I gave you today. The extra sauce does not need to be wasted. You can put that into a container and it will store away for a few days in the refrigerator. You can make another batch of grape salad on a different day, or you could do whatever fruit you may have on hand, maybe some canned pineapple and bananas, and toss it with that extra sauce, and you have another fruit salad to share or have during the warm summer months. If you'd like more inspiration or ideas on homemade recipes as well as summer salads, be sure to check out my Recipes in the Kitchen playlist, as well as a number of other videos I have on food preservation, gardening, organization, and home decor. If you're new to the channel or haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate you subscribing. And I hope you continue watching my channel, The Home and Homestead, for some more homemade, homegrown, home-style inspiration. If you enjoy this or any other video that you watch, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Well, I hope you're having a wonderful day. See you next time. Take care.